Want to take your dance skills to the next level? I actually would meant to say combat skills, but if you're tired of feeling like your combat moves are stale, unoriginal, you're not alone. The problem is that sometimes people get stuck in a comfort zone and they're not alone, okay? You need to challenge yourself, okay, and stay ahead of the game. That's why it's important to explore different combat styles. And here go example when you see the hip hop and also the 52 blocks and you see the capoeira dances. This is a powerful form of expressions and storytelling, with these warriors. They're conveying their emotions and the struggles and their victories and all that. And just like they do in hip hop, in the beat bop and you don't stop, we want to be able to get creative. We want to be able to be innovative. So whether you're doing the hip hop or African, remember the African footwork involves intricate footwork, rapid fire movements, and dynamic energy. You can incorporate these elements into your combat training, just like the 52 block specialists do. Okay, and once again, it's about that rhythm and that footwork. Whether you're going from 52 blocks to Muay Thai or kickboxing or cardio kickboxing, you want to be able to incorporate the essential elements into your combat in your combat journey. Okay, so what you waiting for? More gathers more. Subscribe to the channel so we can give you some more tips about this.